Good afternoon, it's Jonny Walker from Riverside Nissan on a beautiful day today. Temperature's quite nice, a bit overcast, but it's nice. Behind me, I have a truck that you should be interested in. It is a 2018 Nissan Titan Pro4x luxury with 27,596 kilometers. This thing is fully loaded and pretty much in mint condition. I will walk backwards and get a bit closer, and then I will stop the camera, turn it around, and we can have a better look at this beautiful truck. So what can I tell you about the 2018 Nissan Titan Crew Cab Pro4x Luxury? Well, you've got the 5.6 litre V8 engine, which gives you around 395 horsepower, 394, 395 horsepower. This one is in the beautiful red colour, as you can see. The Pro4x trucks, let me straighten out this wing mirror so it looks a bit better. Obviously this one's got, as you can see, the trailer tow mirrors while we're here, and obviously you can just pull these mirrors out. I can't do it with one hand. There we are. And then it extends the mirror out, and then you can just push the mirror back in. You don't need them out. So basically this truck has the 5.6 litre V8 engine. You've got the projector LED headlights, and you've got some awesome Titan base LED kind of running lights there. You've got your tow hooks on the front. So the Pro4x one basically gives you some extra things, like you've got the skid plates under the front and under things like the transmission, fuel tank. You've also got Bilstein shock absorbers, which give you that more of an off-road kind of handling wise to take a bit more abuse. The Pro4x's have an 18-inch wheel and tyre rather than a 20-inch, which comes on kind of the Platinum ones, SVs. Pretty much most of the Titans, bar the base one, come with the spraying liner in the back from the factory, which also, as you can see, kind of goes down there, which saves up from rock chips and stuff. You've got the nice utility track system where you can basically clamp things on here and put things down from anywhere, and you've got your power inverter thing back there, which is great for running bits and pieces. Tailgate is a soft close, so it's always run. You can lift it up literally with one finger to open and close it, and it will drop down slowly, which is always nice. Titans have got the hitching built in, and you've got a built-in trailer brake, rear parking sensors as well, which is awesome. Little opening back window. This one's had a fantastic easy life, bar maybe a couple of tiny little stone chips on the front. There's no scratches, there's no dings, kind of no nothing. So in the back of these beauties, you've got plenty of space in the back. You can then lift up the rear seats, and then you've got storage hidden under here. And then you've got the flat floor if you need to put things down as well. And the same thing applies on both seats. And another nice feature, if you're a contractor and you need kind of like desk height wise, you can actually fold this seat down that way, and then this seat kind of sits up, so you can stand here and write on folds and pieces of paper and stuff. And then back there we've got power inverter and heated rear seats. Obviously keyless entry on the door, makes it nice to get in and out. You've also got remote start as well. The 2018 Titans have the Rockford Fosgate stereo system, so you've got an awesome stereo system, and you've got memory driver's seat as well. So once we're in, I will start it up with the push button start. As you can see, 27,596k. The dashboard here lets you have things like tyre pressures, approach angles, off-road stuff, lots of auxiliary gauges, so lots of information to keep you aware as to what the truck's doing. You've got the shift up on the column up here, so it gives you more space for storage and things down here, which is awesome, which you've also got the manual mode up there as well, which is great. Cup holder you can literally pick up, move somewhere else, or take it out, which is kind of quite nice if you need to organize things. The Pro4x luxury ones come with cooled seats up front and heated seats as well. And here you've got your indicated trailer brake, which has kind of 3 modes depending on what kind of trailer you're pushing behind it, which is good. Or you've got the manual mode where you can do it yourself if you want to. 4-wheel drive system, obviously you've got 4 high, 4 low, and your normal 2-wheel drive. Dual climate control, so you can be hot, I can be cold, or we can both be the same, depending on what you want to do. And obviously up here you've got the navigation system, which is built in. You've also got the camera system where I can bring up the front camera, and then you've got the overhead view which is great for moving objects around here, or pick up moving objects. Press the camera button again and I get curbside for parking. And obviously if I go into reverse, that camera turns into the front camera, back camera rather than the front camera, which is great. And then the little blue line on there basically lines you up for your trailer hitch if you're hooked up to a trailer. And talking about that as well, you can actually hook up to a trailer, you can get out and you can use your key fob, and basically it will cycle through the lights of the truck and the trailer in one go. So you don't have to have someone else checking to make sure that the trailer lights are working and the indicator lights are working. It just does it all for you while you just stand there, which is fantastic. And then up here you've got your garage door openers and an auto dimming rear view mirror, which is pretty nice. Power switch for the good old window back there. And then down here you've got your locking rear differential, which is on the Pro4x, your hill descent mode, power inverters, cargo lamps. You can also do the leveling of the headlights. If you're towing something heavy behind, you can adjust the headlights, which is awesome. Got all the normal stuff from cruise control, kind of like Bluetooth, streaming. We also have Nissan zero gravity front seats and back seats, which are an awesome feature. They basically make you sit as if you're in zero gravity, and they alleviate fatigue and tiredness when you're driving along. I think they're one of the best seats kind of out there, so definitely one that's worth coming to have a look at. And if I just step outside again, basically with these trucks, fuel economy now runs down to around about 12 litres per 100k on the highway. Say a little bit worse around town, but otherwise highway wise fantastic. So if you're looking for a truck, this would be a good one to go. Give me a shout, 250-574-3307. Have a wonderful day.